Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hope you guys are having another awesome day. Rick coming back at you. And I'm breaking this news a little bit late, but I think it's important that you understand it because I made a video a couple of months back about should you look at the Amazon stock, should you look at Google stock, or what should you choose for the stock split. And spoiler alert, I chose Tesla. And the reason why I chose Tesla is because the innovation that it has going on right now. And we just received some massive news that they're going to be splitting again. So if you missed out on the last stock split, which happened...
Oh my God, okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
That was a 5-to-1 stock split. You're in luck because they have another stock split that's coming up that's going to be 3-to-1. So this may be an opportunity for you to get your hands into the Tesla stock arena and ultimately start building that portfolio. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about it. And before we talk about this stock split and what exactly it means, if you are interested in finance news, having your dollar stretch further for you, and ultimately being part of a community that's going to work together to reach these financial goals together, this is definitely the community for you. So make sure that you smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Other than that, let's go ahead and talk about this Tesla stock split. So this is another huge win for Tesla. Obviously, what's going on with our economy right now doesn't appear to be good. We haven't had a lot of positives to talk about in our investing world. So it's a breath of fresh air to be able to deliver this good news to you, because what this essentially means is that Tesla's comfortable enough to say, hey, we've seen a lot of growth since our last stock split, and we need to raise more capital because we need to keep moving forward. We need to keep progressing. We need to keep building out this company. And that's really the reason for a stock split. The idea behind a stock split is the company is trying to raise more capital by ultimately splitting the stock, bringing in new investors so that they can continue innovating, they can continue to build up the dream and goal that they have for this company. So the fact that we're seeing a stock split take place in the middle of what's considered a recession by a lot of people is a huge implication that this Tesla company idea and innovation is not being hindered whatsoever by what's happening in the economy. So now that we know that this stock is going to split and why exactly a company splits, what does it mean for you and how can you take advantage of it? Well, first and foremost, the way that this is going to work for the stock split, again, this is 3-to-1. So they're going to basically take those stocks that you have and multiply them by that, again, 3 number itself. Now, what they're going to be looking for is as of August 24, so a very short time frame, you have to have one whole complete stock in your portfolio. If you do have that by the close of business on August 24th, the next business day that the stock market is open, you'll notice that those additional shares have been dropped into your account. And so this could be your opportunity to get involved in Tesla if maybe you haven't had the means to do so before. And let's say that maybe you don't have $900 to throw at Tesla stock, but you've always wanted to get invested. Well, the stock split's a good thing for you as well, because essentially what's going to happen is they're going to take that 900, they're going to divide it by 3, which is the number of shares everybody's getting, and that's going to be the new price point of Tesla stock. So rather than having to pay $900 where maybe you can't afford it, it's going to drop down to $300 to allow new investors to be able to flood into the stock and ultimately have that opportunity that maybe they haven't had in a couple of years. And so I wanted to share that with you because it's important to understand what's going on in the finance world. And if we get good news during times of recession and economic uncertainty, we got to take advantage of those times. So I'm happy to deliver the message to you, and hopefully you can get invested into this opportunity if you choose to. But keep in mind, everything I tell you is just information. None of it's financial advice. And with that being said, if you do want to be part of a community where you're understanding the money game a little bit better, you are just dabbling into investing, but you're not sure where to go, or maybe you're a seasoned investor and you want to give some feedback to those people that ultimately are looking to grow as well, this is the community for you. So make sure that you smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. Other than that, happy investing, everybody.